In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable or disable Sharing Hub in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click into the address bar at the top of the window. In that address bar, type chrome/flags, and then press Enter on your keyboard. After the flags page opens, move to the search bar near the top of the screen. In that search field, type Desktop Sharing Hub in Omnibox. As you type, Chrome should filter the available flags and show the matching result. When you see the Desktop Sharing Hub in Omnibox option, click the drop-down menu next to it. If you want to turn the feature on, choose Enabled. If you want to turn the feature off, choose Disabled. Be sure to select the option that matches what you want Chrome to do. After making your selection, look toward the bottom right corner of the Chrome window. You will see a Relaunch button. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the change. Once Chrome reopens, the new Sharing Hub setting should be active. If you enabled it, the feature should now be available. If you disabled it, it should no longer appear. That covers everything you need to know.